Hey folks, welcome back to Tekneikos. If you are new to this channel, then welcome to Tekneikos. I make content on DevOps, SRE, cloud and development. So if you are new to this channel, then please welcome. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about a very good resource that I've just found out. And this resource is going to help you a lot if you are a beginner to cloud, whether it is AWS, GCP or Azure. You are going to learn, deploy and practice all the resources for free of cost. So what used to happen back like 2017 when these cloud providers just came, they used to provide you free resources for 1 year. Then they cut down that offer to some dollars, for example $200, $300 or $100, and those free credits just vanishes once you start deploying real workloads. For example, Kubernetes in GCP or EKS in AWS. Once you start deploying your production grade applications, it's going to vanish and they are going to charge you a lot, especially if you enable the billing account. Without that, they won't allow you to deploy anything. But if you just enable it and you deploy it for learning purpose and you end up having a lot of bill to pay, then that's going to be a very hectic thing for you. I understand. I was doing a lot of research on this, so I found a website. It's open source. They're providing you AWS, GCP and Azure services for free of cost. You can use it as you want. It's going to run in your local machine. So let's have a look. So this is what I was telling you, that GCP provides around $300 for 90 days. Then comes AWS $200, then Azure some $200. But these are just numbers. When you really hit a production deployment, this is going to be vanished. Okay, I tell you, because I have personal experience with these things. Okay, I got a huge bill. So a lot of people learn about AWS and Kubernetes, EKS. So I also have a tutorial on Kubernetes. You can check out where we are learning Kubernetes from scratch. So you can follow this. And a lot of comment I have seen that the people are not able to practice alongside me, although I'm sharing the exact commands, but sometimes they lack the resource. So what this is going to do, so this is from another session. Let me write out here. The resource I'm going to tell you is going to simulate your AWS, GCP and Azure, all three cloud and almost every services that they provide. Okay, so these simulations and all is not new. This is a very common practice in industry, that bunch of developers come together and try to help the community to learn more things. So this website that I'm going to talk about is also free and open source. You can check out. So this is the website that I was talking about. It's called Floci. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. So any cloud locally, you can explore the products here and you can directly go to their GitHub. And if you are also a developer, then you can probably contribute to this good work. Okay, they are open to contributions. So let's come to the main topic. We have AWS, we have Azure and we have GCP. In AWS, if you click local AWS, zero cost, zero compromise. Okay, it feels fast. It's actually open source. So if you go here, they are covering all the services. So for AWS, there are 53 AWS services and all of them are free. So whether you want to use S3 bucket or SQS or EKS, everything is free. So we will do a practice here. You can install using Homebrew and you can write this command. So we will go through it. Before that, let's just go to Azure. In Azure also they are covering 15 services, which is nice. Remember, this is still in development phase and they are actively contributing, so hopefully they would come up with more services for sure. In GCP also they are covering 8 services. Okay, one thing is missing is GK, Google Kubernetes Engine, but I think they would probably add it. So you can use it with Docker and it runs locally in your system as I told you. So let's try it out. Make sure your Docker is installed and it's running in the background, and let's open the terminal. Copy the command for installation. I'm using Mac OS, so it's brew install. In Windows also it would not be much harder to set up. So it's installing. It's around 49 MB. So it's done. Let me clear the terminal and Floci start. Allow it. It's downloading some of the packages. So once this is done, you can go to your Docker. You can see inside the containers tab, Floci container is running. Let's see what's the next step. So you install the AWS CLI. Once that is done, run this command AWS S3 MB and then bucket name. It's going to create a bucket. Then let's run this. It will write a file and upload it. Okay, uploaded, and we can download it. Okay, so similar to this we have other real world workflows for EKS. So here it is using K3S, not K8S. That's something you should know. It's using K3S. Okay, but anyhow, does not matter what it is using behind the scene. The thing is whether you can able to practice your stuff or not. That's the more important and practical thing here. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to you. If you go to Docker, you can use it by Docker as well, but I have chosen to use Floci CLI. That's much better. So I hope this is actually going to help you out to learn all about the services that these cloud providers offers, and there are n possibilities you can do with this. Please go and check out their GitHub as well. Okay, so when you check out and go through this, you will learn a lot of things. They have posted their diagrams, how they have structured their architecture. So there's a lot of learning never ends. So I hope this video is going to help you out in learning cloud, and if that helps you, please subscribe to Tekneikos and like the video.